Welcome to Buildra. In this video, you'll see how a man builds a wooden boat from scratch. The build starts with carefully drilling holes into the long wooden planks, preparing them to be joined together securely. Next, wooden pegs are hammered into place, locking the planks together and forming the first strong joints of the boat's structure. Thin wooden strips are carefully laid along the edge of the boat's frame. These strips will help reinforce the structure. Each plank is carefully aligned, hammered, and fitted into place to ensure a solid foundation. The process now shifts to shaping the bottom of the boat. Each board is carefully sanded smooth, removing any rough edges that could weaken the structure. Precise cuts are made along the sides, ensuring the panels will fit seamlessly together. Next, wooden planks are carefully measured and clamped into place. Each piece is aligned with precision to ensure the boat's frame holds strong. All the support frames are now securely in place, giving the boat its full structure and stability. Careful measurements are taken to shape the final support frames. With the support frames in place, it's time to begin attaching the side walls. Each plank is carefully positioned along the frame, slowly giving shape to the boat's body. It's time to shape the bow of the boat. Each panel is carefully joined, slowly forming the sharp point that will cut through the water. Using clamps and ropes, the planks are pulled tightly together, ensuring the front holds its form. Once aligned, screws are driven in to lock everything in place. This step is crucial. It gives the boat its strength and defines its final shape. The bow is now secured, bringing the boat one step closer to floating. With the frame secured, the next step is adding another layer of planks along the boat's sides. Each board is carefully positioned, hammered, and clamped in place to ensure a tight fit. At the front, the edges are reinforced with precision drilling, locking everything together and giving the bow its strength and shape. Inside the boat, support braces are added one by one to strengthen the frame. Each angled piece is carefully measured, fitted, and secured into place, ensuring the boat holds its shape and remains sturdy on the water. The builder carefully hammers each long plank into place, giving the boat both height and shape as the sides begin to rise. The upper side panels are now secured. Using power tools, the builder sands the edges smooth, refining every line and giving the boat a cleaner, more streamlined finish. At the front of the boat, a wooden brace is carefully measured and placed into position. This piece will reinforce the structure at the bow. A sturdy plank is carefully aligned along the front, ensuring the boat can cut through the water with stability. With precision, the nose section of the bow is shaped and secured. Each hammer strike locks the pieces into place, forming the sharp, clean point that will lead the boat forward once it's on the water. The builder prepares a large wooden piece that will form the nose of the boat, carefully aligning it to ensure a snug fit. With precise cuts using a circular saw, the wood is shaped into a sharp, clean point, giving the boat its signature front profile. Once cut, the piece is hammered securely into place, locking the bow together with strength and stability. The builder sands down the entire boat, moving carefully across the surface to smooth out every edge and seam. This process removes rough patches and levels the wood, giving the hull a clean, uniform finish. The builders now prepare the motor mount, carefully securing the crossbeam in place to provide strong support. This piece is crucial. It will hold the weight and vibration of the engine once the boat is on the water. With the motor now in place, the builder moves to the final adjustments at the stern. Careful measurements are taken, and lines are marked to ensure precise cutting and alignment. Using power tools, the back of the boat is shaped and refined, preparing it for a smooth fit with the motor mount. The builder makes the final adjustments to the stern, carefully carving and refining the edges. And with that, the final touches are complete. From raw planks of wood to a fully crafted vessel, every cut, every nail, and every sanding pass brought this boat to life. What started as an idea is now ready to take on the water. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed watching this build come together, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Buildra for more inspiring projects.